Hi guys, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. For today's video, we're going to be playing with the Brow Bar by Reema's palette. This is Sapphire Siren, you guys. This palette is so gorgeous. You guys need to see the video to see how it performs. I mean, it's on the eyes, it's on the face, and let me tell you guys, there is a face powder in the palette. It's a translucent powder in the face kit, so you have everything that you need in that palette. I hope that you guys are interested enough to stay and watch. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my future uploads. So if you guys want to see what this Sapphire Siren face kit is all about and see that translucent powder in this kit, then just keep on watching. I want to show you guys how the package came in. It is so cute. Look at this. It is perfect for Christmas, you guys. If you know someone who loves a makeup, you don't even need to wrap it, you guys. I mean, this is perfect. It is so pretty. Love the gold color. It's shimmery, it's shiny, it's just gorgeous. This is the packaging right here. So this is the Hollywood Icon collection. This is Sapphire Siren. They have other face kit. I think that's what this palette is called, the face kit. So you have one bronzer, we have one translucent powder. I think that is kind of unique to have a translucent powder and a face kit. I haven't seen one like that yet. And then we have two blush, two highlighter, 4 eyeshadows, and 1 brush. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like up close, but I have to clean it first because it is so reflective, you guys. It is so reflective that if you just touch it a little bit, your print is going to be in it. So, you know, if you're trying to use somebody else's palette and you don't want them to know, you definitely need to wipe it down because they will know. They will know. This is the face kit. Sorry, my hands are shaking. So we have the 2 highlighters on this corner. We have the 4 eyeshadows on this corner. We have the face powder right here, which I think is pretty neat to have it in a kit. And then we have the bronzer and then the 2 blush in the middle. Here are the swatches for the top row. So we have the 2 blushes on top. We have the bronzer in the middle. And then we have the translucent powder. So we have the 4 shadows up top right here. And then we have the 2 highlighters right here. I can see these highlighters as used on the lid as well, you guys. You don't just use it on the cheeks. You can use it on your lid as well. As you guys can see, my face looks so greasy because I haven't set it yet because I wanted to use the setting powder on this kit. So I'm just going to take a brush. I would usually take a sponge. I mean, it is pretty small. My sponge is just gonna touch the other product, so I'm just gonna use a brush. So I'm just gonna set my face. I know I tend to say something and then I'll pause. Ooh, I like. You guys, this mirror is huge, so you can see all of your sins. So it will definitely let you know, if you're creasing or not. So I'm gonna take the bronzer, this one right here in the corner. I do bring up my my contour and my bronzer pretty high. You know, we gotta work on that cheekbone that we are not blessed with, so we gotta work for it. Now I'm gonna take the blush. So that one, I think it's too like peachy pink for me, so we're gonna go for this one, and hopefully it's not too. Oh, never mind. It's perfect. It's a perfect shade. So I also like bringing my blush pretty high up here. It's almost like a highlighter, like that area right there. And guess what? We're gonna use the blush shade and the contour shade on the eyes as well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face first, and then we'll do our highlight. Look, you guys, my Slay All Day is almost gone. Did you guys check out all their sales? They're always having sales. You guys need to use my link so your girl can earn some money. Ding! That was perfect. We're not gonna take the gold one. I think that's too gold for this look. I mean, I don't even know what look we're gonna end up with, but we are just gonna take the more champagne-y one. Ooh, you can see my eyeballs. We're gonna take this one. Ooh, ooh. Wow, okay. Dip lightly because she is, wow. You can definitely go too overboard with this if you don't watch it, so definitely watch it. I'm just gonna use my blush to kind of blend all that in. Yeah, see? Now better. Now let's go ahead and move on to the eyes. I am gonna use the brush later on the lower, you guys. I like to use my fluffy brush on the lid when I do my crease and stuff. Before we dig into the shadows, let's go ahead and take the bronzer first right here, and that's gonna be our first shade. That's gonna go on the top crease. I already prepped my lid earlier. I used the Gerard Cosmetics eye base, so I'm gonna use this as a, oh, perfect. So I am gonna take that on the outer V right here and then just bring it in. Now we're gonna use a smaller fluffy brush and we're gonna take the darker blush one, and that's gonna go on the crease as well. Not as high as the first color, but pretty high up there because I have hooded lids, so I have to bring my color higher than my folded lid. It helps me, you guys, when I open my eyes and I apply my shadow like above that lid. Everything that I use on the top, I went ahead and used it on the bottom. I used the brush that came in the palette and it's perfect for the lower, you guys. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys that. That's all I did. That's all I added. The bronzer and the blush on the lower. Now, let's go ahead and go back to our small blending brush. And we are going to take, we're going to take the dark one. I know that's going to be scary. We're going to take the dark one. And that's going to be on the outer. So we're going to do this lightly. Guys, that is blending so nicely. And whatever's left on the brush, I'm not adding anymore. I'm just gonna pull it in this way just to have that black shade on here as well. So I look straight to see if I went high enough to pass my folded lids and just pull it out. I'm gonna clean this little area right here with the concealer. You guys seen me do that before. I mean, if you guys want me to do something like that in details, just let me know and I will definitely walk you through it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, cut that all that out so this video is not too long. Now I went ahead and cleaned this area right here. Like I said, I didn't set it yet. I feel like a shimmer does stick better when your lid is not set. That's the only time I won't set my lid, is when I'm applying shimmer. So I'm going to take this beautiful blue right here, blue shimmer, and it's probably not apply better if you use your finger, but we're going to use the brush first, and then if I need to, I will use my finger. I want to take this one right here and we're going to put that in the inner corner right here. I give it like a little mermaid color right here. I know you guys can't see it, but it's gorgeous. You guys need to follow me on Instagram because I will have a close-up look of this eye look on there. You know, we're going to take the brush that came with this palette and we are going to take, what should we take? We're going to take this color right here. This one has a little bit of shimmer, but it's okay. I'm going to use this to blend. Now we're going to take the finger and I'm going to use that to blend this area right here. Yes. You always want to blend that little harsh a line right here. It's not giving me what I need, so I'm gonna go tap into the dark shade just a little. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna blend that. Just pull that blue just a little bit onto the dark shade. Will give us the gradient of the two. I probably have to go back and forth with this two shade, but it's okay. Makeup is a process. You don't want to rush it. Let's take the flat brush on the brush that came with this palette, and I'm just gonna right there. We're not gonna go all the way in, just right here, just to connect right here. That's all I'm gonna do to the bottom. So this is the completed look. What do we think, you guys? I really enjoyed this. What am I doing? We don't have no inner corner highlight. We don't have no brow bone highlight. Oh my god, let's go back to this gorgeous palette. We're gonna take this right here, and that's gonna go in the inner right here. I don't know what I was thinking, you guys. My eyes is watering right now, so I'm, you know, losing a lot of shadows right there, and it's probably falling on my lashes, so I'm so sorry. I promise I'm not that messy. I am messy, but not that messy. And we're also gonna use that as a brow bone highlight. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial. I just wanted to use this palette because it's such a gorgeous palette. You have everything that you need in here. It also comes with a brush, so I mean, what else do you need? You have translucent powder in a kit, you guys. I mean, what else can you ask for? I really like how it blended on my eyes. You saw how vibrant that blue and that black, it blended really well. I'm always scared to use black shadows or, you know, darker shadows, but this one, it was easy to use, so definitely a plus. And the highlighter, I mean, come on. And the blush, it's really good as well. You guys can see that you don't need to just use the blush and the bronzer, you know, for the face. You can also use them on the eyes because we use them on the eyes. So definitely a very, very versatile palette. So you can definitely just take this with you on the go and you'll have everything that you need. But of course, I want to know your opinion if you used this palette before. If you have this palette, let me know. I want to hear your thoughts, and let me know if you are thinking about getting this. I will link them in the description below. Check them out on Instagram as well because they have great products. The brow products, you guys definitely need to try them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial of mine. Let me know what you guys want to see here on my channel. I definitely want to do like little tutorials like this. I think that's something that I can manage. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any question, concern, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And like always, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye, guys.